Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Learn with MJ. Today we are discussing the UGC NET General paper topic, that is the Teaching Aptitude. So here first we can have an introduction on aptitude. Aptitude of any student is the internal ability or talent of the students which makes the difference with other students. So this is the internal ability or talent of the students, and this will differentiate them with other students. One simply cannot cultivate aptitude, rather aptitude of the student is totally depends on the practices. To be a strong in the aptitude, student must have enormous interest in the area in which they are interested. Teaching aptitude, it is totally depends on individual interest towards teaching. To be a good teacher, one must have combination of behavioral characteristics as well as cultural characteristic. The person with real teaching aptitude must be curious, open-minded, and obviously he or she must have in-depth knowledge of the subject, including love and faith for students. Next, we can look what is teaching. Teachers are the backbone of every society, and they play a vital role in nurturing the mind of the young child. So teachers are said to be the backbone of every society. These teachers plays a very important vital role in nurturing the mind of the young child. The best teacher always gives knowledge and skills in very effective ways to young students. So the best teacher, they always give knowledge and skills to every students in effective ways. Teaching basically means interaction of teacher and students in an interactive way where both of them participate for their mutual benefits. So, the teaching process contains an interaction of both the teacher and the students. Here they are interacting to get mutual benefits. So both of them participate for their mutual benefits. The teacher and the student participate in a way that they get mutual benefits. Both the students and teacher can have their own objective and target. Throughout the world, there are many great teachers defines teaching in different ways. We can have a look of one-word definition of teaching. The one-word definition of teaching is just to train the students such that they can stand on their own feet in our modern society. So the one-word definition of teaching is saying that the main purpose of teaching is to train the students so that the student can stand on their own feet in our modern society. In teaching, three main aspects are as follows. Main aspects of teaching includes three things, that is, first one is the teacher, second one is the students, third one is the education. A true teacher is one with the following qualities. So we can have a look at the qualities of a good teacher or a true teacher. First point is, teacher must identify the weak student in the class. Second point, teacher live with the students mentally. So a mental cooperation is needed for the teachers to teach the students. Third point, teacher must love the students. Fourth point, teacher must identify knowledge of student and build the student on what they have. Fifth point, teacher must give his own shoulder to his student for nurturing such that students can grow mentally and physically. Sixth point, teacher must be friendly with her student up to a certain limit inside the classroom. Seventh point, teacher must be humorous inside classroom, and as well as he or she must have capabilities to control the classroom. Even though the teacher must be humorous inside the classroom, he or she should have the capacity to control the entire classroom. That is the important. Next point, a good teacher must have in-depth knowledge of the subject. Surely it is one of the main point here we have to discuss, because a true teacher or a good teacher must have a thorough and in-depth knowledge about the subject she or he is teaching. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for getting more videos.